This is the Pipette Kids Science and Coloring and Activity book. It follows the story of Polly and Tack. And you can color in it, and there are lots of fun activities. It has a little storyline where Polly and Tack are friends, and they have a science teacher who encourages them to look for a scientist to write about for a project. And so they meet a scientist of the past and do a microscope activity. And so it's thematic, so these are microscope pages. And then they learn about bacteria. As you can see, there are a lot of activities that you can do at home as well. Coloring pages and matching crosswords, shapes and things that you can count, a bit of a math section, color by numbers. And then here you're learning about the human body with a scientist that's at UT Health San Antonio. And more about the cells. And now we're getting into a little bit of genetics. But it's really lighthearted for fun and kids. Here's a DNA section where you can make a DNA sequence bracelet, candy helixes, pipe cleaners, a lot of these items you will have at home. This is about RNA and viruses, bacteriophages. Here you're getting into the anatomy section, where one of the main characters has a fall, and then you learn about broken bones. Here's a scientist at UT Health San Antonio as well. More anatomy pages. Here you're learning about neuroscience. And it connects with the story really well. These characters are real scientists who work at UT Health San Antonio. Here is a section about nutrition and then dentistry. A little bit about the heart and your blood systems, and you learn about the periodic table of elements. So it's quite a comprehensive book, and there's lots of activities and learning for children. Here is the Women in Science section. So you can learn about a few women inventors and how you could be a scientist if you wanted to. Here are a few spotlights of real-life scientists who are in various fields: cell biology, biomedical engineering, neuroscience, microbiology, and at the end there's a little section about the scientific method and more activities that you can do at home. So definitely a lot of science experiments in this book, which is great for parents who are looking for fun things to do with their scientists at home. An answer key, which is always helpful. And then your child can write a little essay. Brain hat, which is you can cut out of the book. And the bacteriophage, which you can also cut out of the book. And then a little cutout doll section, which is very fun. And then that is the end of the book. So yeah, it's available on Amazon. Be sure to check it out.